Every single day, we're seduced by the most beautiful, sustainable promises. Because we all want to do our bit and contribute to a better world, right? Let's say you have to select a bag for a customer event with your company logo and want to buy a bag made from recycled materials. But how can you be sure it's really made of recycled materials? Well, you can't. Unfortunately, most green claims don't tell you the truth. The simple fact is, no one can guarantee you it's recycled. When you want to find out the truth, you will learn that every part of the manufacturing process is pointing at each other. No one can give you the real evidence of the use of recycled materials. The only thing you will find out is that normal materials use a lot of water, whereas recycled materials save a lot of water. So, don't trust the claim written on the product. Trust what's in it. How? With traceable microscopic particles. Particles that can take you back to the very source of the material. With a simple scan that detects these particles, you can be absolutely sure that your bag is truly recycled, which may mean saving thousands of liters of water per bag. So you can imagine how much an order of 500 bags saves. So, now that you're awake, be alert, be critical, demand transparency. Your logo is in play here. And that's how you contribute to a better world, saving water and contributing to a greener planet, one bag at a time.